Hi guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with an wig install from TINASHE. I'm gonna link everything in the description in case you guys are interested. But this is a 13x4 14-inch frontal wig. I did snip at it a little more, so it was a little shorter. So it could be a little shorter, but this is the natural texture. Like, I did not add any curls. I just let the hair air dry overnight, and this is the texture. Just super pretty, super ready to go. Hope you guys enjoy. This time I added baby hairs. Y'all know that I don't be adding baby hairs to my units, but I added some Dramatica baby hairs and I absolutely love it. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's just hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So we're back with another wig install. This wig is from TINASHE. I'm gonna just briefly show you guys everything that does come inside of the package. I got a bob, 13x4, 14 inches. You get a bunch of stuff, so that's kind of cool. Melt belt. I will be using this. I absolutely love that companies are now starting to send these because, you know, everybody doesn't have these. So happy that they're sending those. You do get some clips, you get a comb, you get a bonnet, wig cap, lashes, and a brush. This is the unit. I did bleach the knots. I feel like the knots were a little stubborn. Bleached the knots and I plucked the hairline. Okay, it's the inside wig construction. This is the natural texture. It's like a body wave. Okay, so the fit, it fits really nicely. I kept the dedicated part that it did have. It is a 13x4, so you got a little bit of parting space on the side. This is what the wig looks like on my hairline. Like I said, I did pluck at it a bit because I wanted it, you know, to appear as most natural as possible. Hairspray, I'm gonna just use the Wonder Bond. Lace glue, I use this all the time. I do like it. I want to try the other colors. I know they have like red and black. And like I always say, the good thing about this is it comes out with water. You could use a blow dryer, but I don't have the time. I'm gonna just spray the hairline one more time. I know. Okay, so why I decided to spray it first this time was because last time I went and sprayed it after, all of my lace came up. And that was because I didn't glue it down with like adhesive, and I just used that glue, so it's not really firm, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. I am going to go in with a wax stick just for the top, but I absolutely love the texture of the hair. It's giving just gorgeous. Okay, I feel like it's giving bob, and I just want to get rid of just this. Yeah, I just want to get rid of that piece. So when cutting my lace, what I like to do is just go in with a razor. Make sure it's sharp. Like if it's like a dull razor, it's gonna be too hard to cut. And I just go as close to the hairline and I go down. I notice when I go to the side, I can't see what I'm doing. So just go down with the razor. I'm gonna just briefly cut it off. We're not cutting it off together. Okay, so I cut the lace off, and this is definitely not a transparent lace. So do keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Baby hairs, definitely see, you can see a bit of the lace. Okay, so I'm gonna just go in with this little Erica J for your hair. I do feel like this wig requires baby hair color. You have to tint this to get it to your complexion. I normally don't have those issues, but today I actually am having the issue. So this hairstyle requires baby hair. So I'm just using this. It's like a gel type of hold. So I don't need these to go anywhere. We'll have the dramaticos today. Y'all know that I normally do not make such dramatic baby hairs, but we're gonna just go in with our wax stick. So what I just did was went in with my wax stick so it can appear like, you know, there was some type of press, but there really wasn't. I just kept it natural. You can kind of position the curls how you want them to be. But this is the natural texture of the hair. I did bleach the knots. I did pluck out the hairline a bit. And then I just let the hair air dry. I didn't know if it was going to be straight or not, because when I first received the hair, it was like a straight texture. So for it to dry body wave, absolutely adore it. I do think that the lace was kind of difficult to maneuver, and color wise it needed some tweaking. So if you know how to tint your lace, this is definitely a lace that needs to be tinted, only because, let me just kind of give you a brief idea. It's like not super melty. Like, it's melty enough, but I do think that this lace is more of a lace that you actually need to cut off. Sometimes you're able to have a little bit more wiggle room when it comes to the actual, what am I trying to say, like, sometimes you can leave a little bit more lace on and not see it, but I do feel like this wig required baby hairs. But I'm absolutely happy that I put baby hairs in it, because I normally don't wear baby hairs, but I think that it's super cute. I did snip at the bottom a little just so I can have a more even cut. I really wasn't going for bob, but I do enjoy it. So I could kind of cut it a little shorter, but I like the length that it's giving. Like, I think it's super cute. Love the hair texture. It's super soft. If I'm saying super a lot, because I'm super excited. But after I take this wig off, I will be wearing it glueless. I like to personally wear my wigs glueless because I don't sleep in them. I like to just put them on, take them off. And if you ever notice that your hair is like not holding up, you might be wearing your wigs too long. Like, this is literally not hair that's growing out of your scalp. So you need to remember that before you try to wear your wigs for like 2 weeks at a time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this not so quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.